this is Mike here, and today I'm going to be showing you the top 10 facts about Balloon Boy in Five Nights at Freddy's. So let's jump right into it. Fact number 10 is that Balloon Boy is actually the only humanoid animatronic, which means that he is the only one that represents a human, and also he is the only animatronic to have a fully clear, non-distorted human voice playing with his voice box. And yeah, not only does he represent a human, he represents a human child, and also unlike any other animatronic, he actually has clothes. And then for fact number 9 is that BB is officially hands down the most hated animatronic in the whole game. In fact, people hate him so much that he has actually earned the nickname Fuckboy. And of course, the reason why people hate him so much is because, well, first of all, he's always taunting you, and second of all, since he's not aggressive, the way he quote-unquote attacks you is not by actually jump-scaring you, but rather by simply removing your ability to use your flashlight, which is very frustrating and leaves you prone to being attacked by Foxy. And after number 8, we have a pretty mysterious one, which is actually not known by many people. You know how BB has these 2 buttons on his shirt? Well, you see the color of these buttons is black, and it's pretty much always black, whether you shine your flashlight on it or not. However, for some unknown reason, when BB enters your office, his shirt buttons all of a sudden become white. Now, it is unclear whether this is a technical mistake accidentally left by Scott Cawthon, or if Scott purposely left this in the game and it actually means something. I don't know, you guys tell me what you think of this in the comment section. And at number 7, we have one that I only recently sort of figured out, and that is that the mysterious disappearing paper plates dude in the second game actually represents Balloon Boy. I mean, think about it, it's the only one that seems to represent a humanoid character, because unlike the other paper plates, this one doesn't have any ears or anything like that. And also, the other paper plates have these sort of black eyes because that's how their endoskeleton eyes look, while this one has more human blue eyes. Now, who else has blue eyes? BB. And also, just like BB, he has blue pants, and of course, finally, he has a few black buttons on his shirt, just like BB. And then for fact number 6 is that there's actually an alternate version of Balloon Boy that sometimes appears under your table. This version of Balloon Boy has been often dubbed by the fan community as Balloon Girl, because this version has pink eyes, more rosy cheeks, and also the color pattern of its hat is blue and purple rather than being blue and red. And finally, it doesn't have any sort of fan thing on its head. So yeah, no one really knows what's up with this Balloon Boy thing. But if you do ever happen to see it, don't worry, it's not aggressive. And then for fact number 5 is, you know how Balloon Boy holds a balloon sign in his left hand as well as a balloon in his right hand? Man, that's a lot of balloons. Well, actually, when he enters the vent, he loses both his sign and his balloon for some reason. And as soon as he's out of the vent, both his balloon and his sign magically reappear in his hands. So yeah, just like with the mysterious black-gray shirt buttons, it's unclear whether this was just a technical sort of mistake by Scott, or if it's something paranormal. Ooh. And then for fact number 4 is that if you zoom into BB's mouth, you will see that there's something inside of him. It's unclear exactly what that is. I mean, it does kind of look like eyes or something, but then again, why would his eyes be so low? And also, what's even more bizarre is that when BB is present in the vents, this thing disappears. And not only that, but if you flash your light into BB when he's in the vents, you'll see that there's actually absolutely nothing present in his head. I mean, it's completely empty, doesn't even have any endoskeleton or anything. And then for fact number 3 is that BB looks fairly similar to the villager from Animal Crossing. The villager has actually a reputation for looking very psychotic, with his permanent smile and his wide open eyes, very much like BB, to the point where it's actually possible that the villager could have been somewhat of an inspiration for BB. And also notice the significance between their noses. They have pretty much the exact same nose, both being very triangular. And then for number 2, we have a fact that I find very interesting, which is that BB is the only animatronic that is never mentioned by the phone guy. Wait, what? Isn't the phone guy supposed to be, you know, your guide, your tutorial for the game? You know, isn't it supposed to be his responsibility to inform you of all animatronics and teach you their behaviors? Well, one possible explanation for this is that BB could have possibly been added sort of very late in development after Scott recorded all the voices, and so Scott didn't bother to change any of the voice files just for him, and we can just end it there. However, I'm not satisfied with that answer. I think there's another much more probable explanation for this, which leads me to fact number 1. There's actually a theory that BB isn't real and that he's just a hallucination. I mean, think about it. First of all, he doesn't attack you, and so therefore he doesn't actually do any physical harm. Second of all, like I just said, the phone guy never mentioned him, which is pretty suspicious. And then third of all, he never appeared in any of the mini games. And of course, let's not forget all the weird inconsistencies that I mentioned on this list. But yeah, otherwise, this theory goes pretty deep, and I won't have time to cover the whole thing on this video. So you know what? You guys tell me in the comment section below if you'd like me to make a whole separate video dedicated to this one sort of theory. Hey there, thanks for watching my top 10 Balloon Boy facts video.
Okay, I liked it.
If you want to see more videos from me, why not subscribe? I'm going to leave a little annotation right here. You can press on to do that right now. So go click it, helps me a lot. Otherwise, if you're on mobile, just press the little red button under the video to do that. And yeah, otherwise I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Five Nights at Freddy's videos too by myself. Everything that I do, it's perfectly fine. But some videos I mess up sometimes, so don't worry, okay? Okay?